Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2020 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with some nice accessories that were installed here at Ford, such as a 6-inch BDS lift kit, pocket-style fender flares, some 20-inch fuel rims with some Toyo all-terrain open country tires on them, bulletproof mud flaps on the front and rear tires, running boards down below. Yeah, it comes with some nice accessories pre-installed here at Ford, but let's take a look inside. So first looking in the back, where you have spacious seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior, and in the center you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as 2 more cup holders right there with a 12-volt, 2 USBs, a 110 volt, and heated rear seats, so your back passengers are pretty well set up in this truck. And then the seats can be folded completely up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you want to put back here. And you do have fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle as well. So this truck does also have a remote start installed, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your truck. And it's a proximity key with a push to start, so no need to fiddle around with any keys. Just put it in your pocket or purse and you're good to go. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. So now sitting in the truck with it running, you can looking at the steering wheel, actually, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left-hand side, you have your cruise control buttons, as well as your controls for your center screen, where you can look at information such as your trip and fuel, so your trip 1 stats, trip 2 stats, your fuel economy, compass, and your auto start-stop status. And tire pressures, you can check digital speedometer and engine info. You can also check your towing info and status, your off-road status, and settings for features around your truck. But then you do also have a favorites view where you can put any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is, let's see, radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. And you have your digital climate controls with dual climate, so you and your front passenger can stay at comfortable temperatures. And then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for features around your for your screen and other features around your truck. Do also have a heated steering wheel function right here, so you can have some warm hands in the colder months. And then above that, you have your traction control shutoff, hazards, your auto start stop, and your lane keep assist. Do also have a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system throughout the truck, so your audio is going to sound pretty good. And to the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear diff and 4 auto, as well as a trailer backup controller and a trailer brake controller. To the right, you have a 12-volt power outlet and a 110-volt power outlet. Then you have your physical climate controls here with dual climate once again, and heated and air-conditioned front seats with 3 levels each. Then you have this compartment here, which opens to reveal 2 USBs and some space. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. 2 cup holders, cubby, and your center locking compartment / armrest, which has a removable tray and has another 12 volt inside, so you can plug something in there, as well as just having a ton of space, as you can see. But then finally looking up, you do also have a sliding or a power panoramic or twin panel moonroof, so you can let in the sunshine on such a nice day as today. And then finally looking back, you do also have a sliding rear window, if that's something you're interested in. But that should cover our look at the interior. So this truck does come with some nice bonuses pre-installed, but if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.